And tonight here at Nightingale Gym we have John Bowles flying his quadcopter.
Mr. Bowles.
Mr. John Bowles. We have him flying his quadcopter. And then we have Mr. Dunbar. Hi Mr. Dunbar, how are you tonight?
Yeah, the wimpy Mr. Dunbar.
So the wimpy Mr. Dunbar that won't fly outdoors.
Yeah.
And then we have Mr. Devine. How are you, Mr. Devine?
I am wonderful. How are
That's
you,
good.
Mr. Beaulieu?
Just great. And then we have Tyler. What are you doing, Tyler?
Putting a battery in.
All right, good. You gonna fly it?
Yeah.
All right. Then we have Harry Cummings and Dwayne French down here flying the Piper Cub.
Oh, Veronica Champ.
Oh, Veronica Champ. I'm sorry, wrong plane.
Looks like a Cub, but a little different. Okay, I'm going to try a loop.
And he successfully done the loop. Whoa, awesome. Yes, he did that on purpose. Here we go for another try of the loop. Oh, no! Whoa! We just changed. Harry's got a new name, Harry the Wild Man. Flying the Veronica Champ like a crazy man.
Yep.